Hi learners, very good morning. Welcome to Unified Study. This is Thursday, doing the most important concepts which can be expected in their SET and NET examinations. So today we are going to cover mathematical reasoning, but easy scoring topics, right? So what are all the easy scoring we have to practice, we are going to see today, and this is our schedule. See, we have completed 8, 9, 10 and 11, and today is 12. We have done in our Tamil class the most expected question, and today in English class also we are going to do our maths question. In our Unified Study paid session, we are going to do HE, PDE and MR every day 7:30 to 9 o'clock. And don't forget, tomorrow we have a weekend mock. I will let you know about the timing. So tomorrow we will be having a weekend mock test. Yes, right. So today we will start with the easy scoring topics where we can get this kind of expression based question. Expression may looks big, but it is very easy. This is nothing but a 12 into 10 to the power of minus 2, right? So similarly, how many 10 into 12 to the power of minus 2 we have? So here again similarly we can write it 12 into 10 to the power of minus 3 here. So what is the generalized form of this one, where we can write 1, 2, 3 12s are there, right? So 12 cube into 10 to the power of minus 6 will come. How, ma'am? Because this is whole cube, right? So this will comes here and becomes 12 cube. This will comes inside and become minus 6. And then plus again here 12 into 10 to the power of, again here the whole cube here. This becomes 12 cube and this becomes minus 9 here, and divided by 48, right? So 48 into 10, again what will be there? Minus 2, 10 to the power of minus 2, the whole cube, right? 10 to the 48 into 10 to the power of minus 2, the whole cube. This becomes 48 cube and this becomes minus 6. Similarly, plus this again 48 cube into 10 to the power of minus 9. Ma'am, how, ma'am? Because here we have a 48 into 10 to the power of minus 3, the whole cube. This cube comes inside and becomes 48 cube and 10 to the power of minus 9. So here what will happen? We can take 12 cube as common outside, right? So when I take 12 cube as common, 10 to the power of minus 6 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Similarly, divided by 48 to the whole cube, 10 to the power of minus 6. And then, yes, it's plus. I'm sorry, it's plus here. It is plus. Okay, and then plus 10 to the power of minus 9 here. So what we can do here, we can simply cancel out 10 to the power of minus 6 and 10 to the power of minus 9. So simply we have a 12 into 12 into 12 divided by 48 into 48 into 48. This goes for 4 times in the 12 tables itself. So 1 divided by 4 into 4 into 4. So that is nothing but 1 divided by 64. I hope you would have done it right. Please do check it. Very easy question. It looks big, but it is very, very easy. Am I right? So here the right answer for this question is 1 divided by 64. And next question. This is also easy type of question, comes from ratio. Ratio, percentage are all must we can expect in the examination. There are 3 positive numbers are in the ratio of 2:3:4. What is the ratio? 2:3:4. And we all know that there is a common ratio between the numbers, and that is nothing but x we can put. And when sum of the squares is, sum of their squares means what? Sum of their squares. Sum means I have to add, no? So it's equivalent to 2349. So how we get x here? Because it is a ratio. So and that's why we have put x in between. And they are telling there will be a square of this number. So that will become 2x squared. So this is nothing but 4x squared. 2, the whole square is 4, right? And this is 9x squared. And this is 16x squared. Yes, very good. Come on, do it. You can able to do it. So 2349. So when I add, what will come here? 4x squared, 9x squared, 16x squared. When I add everything, I'll be getting 29x squared is equivalent to 2349. So when I just calculate the value of x here, what will be the value of x? Yes, what is the value of, x squared is equivalent to 2349 divided by 29. So when I divide 2349 divided by 29, it will gives you 81. As we all know, x squared is equivalent to 81 means x is equivalent to 9. So as first number is 2x, second number is 3x, third number is 4x. So this is 18 and this is 27 and this is 36. See, we have got this. Yes, have you all got? Have you all got 18, 27, 36? Yes, this is the right answer for the question. Read it properly. Sum of their squares. It can be squares, it can be cubes. That has to be very careful, whether it is a positive number or odd number or an even number. That also we have to be very careful whenever we frame this one. Right? Very good. Next question we move. It is a train speed distance problem. So see, there is a long train which is of 240 meter crosses a long platform. So a train is there. The train is there and this train is being connected, and here we have an engine. Okay, and this train is of total length 240 meter, and it crosses a platform. There is a platform of length 160 meter. It crosses. Okay, I can just erase it a little bit. Yes, it is 160 meter and it crosses at in 20 seconds. So 250 meter long train crosses this 160 meter platform. This is train length and this is platform length. Okay, by what time? By 20 seconds it crosses. Find the time taken by the train to cross the pole. So how long it takes to cross that pole? So for this we have a simple formula. The train length, platform length. What is the train length here? So the distance which is being taken while crossing that platform. What is the total distance while crossing the platform? The total length is nothing but 240 meter plus 160 meter. That is the length totally taken to travel. So that is 400 meter. This is the total distance. Make it very clear. Okay, next, what does it mean? Speed. Okay, so what is the speed is being taken? Distance divided by time. What is the distance? We have calculated 400. What is the time taken? It is 20 seconds. So that is equivalent to 20 meter per second. Okay, we have calculated. The time to cross the pole is what? The train length divided by the speed. So the time taken to cross that pole. At what time it crosses that pole? For that length of the train is what? 240 meter. 240 meter and 20 meter per second is the speed. So when I cancel, what I will be getting? Meter will get cancelled. The seconds comes here. 12 seconds. So 12 seconds is the time taken to cross that pole. Right? These are some formulas that we can write it down. Very good. Next problem before going. Tomorrow we are going to have a weekend mock here in both Tamil and English. Don't forget to join. Timings of our English class I will let you know. For the Tamil class it will be at 6 AM. Okay, so don't forget to join. It will be a very interesting mock question. Fast, quick questions we'll be doing for the upcoming examination. I think 14th we have WB set examinations for them. These questions will be most useful for your quick revision. Very good. And next question is also again from proportion. Okay, earlier we discussed about ratio. Now we are going to do with the proportion. So there is the amount of rupees 3,800. It is going to be divided by A, B and C. And the ratio of 1/2, 1/3 and 3/4. We have to calculate what is the ratio of the share which is being given to C. Ma'am, how to do it? It is given in ratio, fraction. How to do it? It is very easy. What we have to do is we have to take the LCM of 2, 3, 4. If I take the LCM, what we will be getting? I will be getting 2, 1, 3, 2, again 1, 2 and again 1, 3. So this is 12 is the LCM, right? So we have to just take the multiply all the terms with terms of 12. So into 12, into 12, into 12. Then comes what? This becomes 6, this becomes 4 and this becomes 9. So here now the values of A, B and C is 6, 4, 9. What they have asked for? They have asked for the share of the person C. Very simple. C's share is 9. C's share is equivalent to 9 divided by, what is the total share they have been there? 19, no? 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 9, 19 into 3,800. So when I divide, I'll get 200. So that is equivalent to 1,800. Here they can ask question for share of a person, average shares of a person. Like that, so many varieties they can ask. We should know how to extract the single person share. Am I clear? Yes? Yes? Very good. Very good. Superb. Next question on board. Again, two numbers are in the ratio. See, ratios, different variants are there. Definite questions we can expect from this one. There are two numbers are in the ratio 5:6. So we have a common number between them, that is 5x:6x. And if 8 is subtracted from each number, then the ratio becomes 4:5. 8 is subtracted means 5x minus 8, then 6x minus 8. Then it becomes what? 4:5. Then we have to find out the two numbers. Very easy. So here they can subtract, they will say add, they will say divide. So many variations can come here. Okay, so what we have to do? Simply we have to cross multiply. That gives me 25x minus 40, and that is equivalent to 24x minus 32. So and this will become, we can 25x, this 24 comes here, minus 24x, and here this 40 goes here, this becomes 40 minus 32, and this is x and this is 8. So we have calculated the value of 8 here. They are asked for the two numbers. The two numbers are 5x, so 5x, 6x, that is equivalent to 40, and this is equivalent to 48. So option number 1 and 2 are the correct answer for this question. Am I clear, learners? Yes? Could you able to do? Yes, could you able to do? Yes, very good, very good, very good, very good. Yes, very good. Very good. So as I've already told you, this is our schedule of the upcoming class. Tomorrow mock and don't forget to join. And this is the question given for your homework. Please try to do it. And if you want these kind of problems, these are the mixed questions that we are waiting in the examination. You just let me know in the comment that we will add in the tomorrow mock test, or in the upcoming classes we will add. Okay, please let me know if you want to do these kind of problems in our unified study for our upcoming examinations. Please let me know in the comment and answer for these questions also. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow for the weekend mock. I'll let you know about the timings. Okay.